him some love. Stokin Oakland in the house. Give him some love. Stokin Oakland in the house.
So we got a lot of guitarists here tonight. How many guitarists here know about the Crossroads? Anybody know about the Crossroads? You know about the Crossroads?
I have the hat.
Oh, you know about the Crossroads? You been to the Crossroads? Yeah, you've been there. I think you've been there. So Robert Johnson was a pioneer bluesman in the old days. The Crossroads is where he sold his soul to the devil. And the deal was it'd make him the best blues guitarist ever. And some people think that that's what happened, but actually he probably ended up getting the worst of the deal, but that's what he gets for dealing with the devil. So this is a song I wrote called Crossroad Blues, and it's about that transaction. Deal down there. Yes, I'm going across the road. Gonna make a deal down there. If you don't go to the crossroads, you ain't going nowhere. At the crossroads late last night, Mr. Scratch had a piece of paper, wasn't filled in right, but I was down at the crossroads, making a deal down there. If you don't go to the crossroads, you ain't going nowhere. Get yourself to the crossroads, make some kind of deal. Don't go to the crossroads, you end up on the grinding wheel. You got to get yourself to the crossroads, make a deal down there. If you don't go to the crossroads, you ain't going nowhere. Met up with the devil, said, what you got for me? He just smiled and grinned, told me check with Tommy Lee. I was down at the crossroads, making a deal down there. If you don't go to the crossroads, you ain't going nowhere. Got to get down to the crossroads. Best go at midnight when there's a full moon. Devil's gonna show up. Gonna be driving along, black Cadillac. Gonna be smoking along. Gets out, looks a little bit like Don King. Got a contract, mighty thick, a lot of fine print, hard to read by the light of the moon, especially when a cloud goes across. That's a cloud going across. That don't make no deal with the devil, no matter what. Oh well. Looked over the paper, the terms was out of sight. I had a couple of questions, but he said it would be alright. That's why I was down at the crossroads, making a deal down there. going nowhere. Well, I went to the crossroads, but I wish I would have stayed home. Yo, I went to the crossroads, I wish I would have stayed home. If you go to the crossroads, you best not go alone.
Y'all, down at the crossroads, baby. It's a dangerous place.
You know what I'm talking about?
Y'all give us a love. Stoken Oak in the house. Give us some love. Stoken Oakland in the house. Yes, indeed.